Some recovering the markets, aiming at the 10,800 mark for the Nifty 790 right now, but we're constantly getting updates from Delhi right now. Government sources to CNN-News-18, Nirmala Sitharaman as well as the Foreign Secretary will be holding a briefing at 11:30 a.m. Remember, so far no official communication had come in. Right now, the Cabinet Committee of Security has finished its meeting at the Prime Minister's house. We have Arun Jaitley as well as Nirmala Sitharaman who will be briefing the press shortly. Foreign Secretary will be briefing at 11:30 a.m. We'll keep getting you updates. Meanwhile, watch out for one stock that we're keeping an eye out on. SkyMed has released its monsoon forecast data for 2019, and the fact that India is likely to have a normal monsoon. To discuss this and more, we have M.K. Dhanuka, the MD of Dhanuka Agritech, joining us on the phone line. Mr. Dhanuka, thanks a lot for joining in. First up, if you could give us a situation check on what's happening with the Rabi sowing, how has that been? And your third quarter numbers weren't very good on account of scattered rainfall. In light of that, how does SkyMed's prediction or forecast look for your company?
Yeah, Rabi sowing was 5% lesser in comparison to last year. And overall, there was distress amongst the farmers because they are not getting the right price for their crop. So this positive news of normal monsoon will definitely boost the morale of the Indian farming, which will bring a smile on the faces of the farming community as well as the agri input companies. Because in India, we have only 40% irrigation area, while 60% is still rain-fed. So if a rainfall forecast, then definitely agriculture will be better, and Indian farmers will get the basically better agriculture output from the good monsoon.
All right, Mr. Dhanuka, I know one key worry in Q3 was that you were sitting on high-cost inventory. Inventory was not getting liquidated, and also you delivered a degrowth in terms of volume of around 6%. Going ahead, have things improved actually after the end of Q3, and what kind of a volume growth are you targeting going ahead?
Actually, this quarter is also a lean quarter, and the major season now we are looking for is Kharif 2019. So we hope that the first quarter of next financial year should remain good with this normal monsoon forecast. Again, we hope that overall the agriculture sowing will be in larger areas, and the agri input consumption will be higher.
Mr. Dhanuka, hang in there. We'll come back to you in just a bit, but we have to take cognizance of the news coming in. The top national development sources telling CNN-News-18 that multiple IAF jets have crossed the LOC for an attack. This situation is currently tense in POK. Cabinet Committee on Security meeting has ended. The Foreign Secretary will brief the media at 11:30 a.m. Parikshit Luthra, who's been tracking this from Delhi, joins us now. Parikshit, what's the latest?
Parikshit, fill us in with the latest that you're picking up. Okay, I think we'll just get back to Parikshit in just a bit. I think he has got some crucial details.
He's got some crucial details. So, meanwhile, while we try to reconnect with Parikshit, we'll go across. So, Mr. Dhanuka, we've lost the connection with Mr. Dhanuka as well. But the short point is that the CCS meeting has concluded. And at the same time, we are getting news that Foreign Secretary Vijay Gokhale, who was part of the CCS meeting today, which took place at the Prime Minister's residence, will brief the media at 11:30 a.m. No official communication so far has come in from the Indian side, and this is expected at 11:30 a.m. The Foreign Secretary Vijay Gokhale, who was part of the Cabinet Committee on Security meeting at the Prime Minister's residence today, to perhaps apprise him of the developments that took place overnight, will brief the media at 11:30 a.m. We will try to reconnect with Parikshit and get you more details. In the meanwhile, perhaps take a short break, come back and communicate with Parikshit as well as some more details coming in from the centre.